You're doing push-ups every day, but your chest still looks flat. Your arms aren't growing, and your shoulders ache, right? That's because your form is lying to you. You think you're training hard, but you're actually wasting every rep. Let me show you the 5 mistakes that are secretly killing your gains, and how to fix them before you waste another workout. Mistake 1. Half reps. Let's start with the biggest scam. Half reps. You stop halfway down, call it a set, and wonder why nothing changes. You're not training your chest. You're just bouncing your ego. Go all the way down. Feel the stretch, then explode back up. Full range equals full growth. Mistake 2. Flare the elbows. If your elbows flare out like wings, congratulations. You're 1 rep away from a shoulder injury. This is the silent killer of your progress. Tuck your elbows at 45 degrees. Control the path. Control the pain. Proper form doesn't just build muscle. It keeps you in the game. Mistake 3. The worm body. If your hips are dropping or chest barely moves, you're not doing push-ups. You're doing the worm. Tighten your core, squeeze your glutes, lock your spine. Your body should move as one solid unit. Strong, sharp, unstoppable. Mistake 4. Speed reps. Fast reps look cool until you realize you're training momentum, not muscle. Control every inch. 2 seconds down, 1 second up. Slow equals strong. Every controlled rep adds power. Every rushed rep steals it. Mistake 5. No progression. You've been stuck doing the same 20 push-ups for months. That's not training, that's maintenance. Muscles grow only when they're challenged. Level up. Diamond push-ups for triceps. Decline push-ups for upper chest. Push harder. Earn evolution. The perfect push-up blueprint. Here's your perfect push-up checklist. Hands shoulder width. Elbows 45 degrees core tight. Full range of motion. Controlled tempo. Master this. And every rep will build muscle that commands respect. Now you know the truth. Stop wasting your potential on bad reps. Train smart, train powerful. Because strength isn't built in numbers, it's built in precision. Like and subscribe for more gains. This is Alpha Workout, where power meets perfection.